Masarap pa rin naman po.
Oh, there they are.
Hindi pwede to sa inyo. Pwede ba to?
I don't think I can eat mango.
Huwag na lang po. Sorry, guys.
Oh, these. These are so good.
Sa Cotton Wings to, guys, sa may airport.
The best.
Butterscotch Cotton Wings. Hindi ako, endorser.
We're not endorsing. It's just that good.
Masarap talaga mag-Cotton Wings kayo. Butterscotch.
I can eat the whole box.
Binilan ko rin sila mga dried fish. Madami. Iba-iba. Dilis, squid,
Not yung small
mga
bites.
kung ano-ano.
This is like makes you dry mouth. Water.
Nagpamassage po ba ako dyan, Mami Ella? Kailan po ito? Hi, Karen. Si Mami Ella, nagmassage pala siya sa atin. Kailan yan?
Which
Kailan
one?
tayo ulit nagpamassage?
That's a lot we do.
Hindi naman ako nagpamassage nung wala ka. 2 months kasi siyang wala, guys. Iniwan niya ako ng 2 months.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Massage, maybe? Was it the Tagaytay?
Hindi ko nga mamaya baka mag-comment si Mami Ella.
I'm curious. Can't sleep until I know.
Opo, kayo po dalawa. Ano po ito, Mami Ella?
Is it the Tagaytay?
Hindi. Baka yung malapit sa atin.
Oh.
Sa may BF.
Oh, that one?
Mandara.
That not? Oh, that
Mandara.
one. Mandara.
Baka Mandara.
I fell asleep.
Sobrang... Ako po yung siya pala nagmasahe sa'yo, hindi sa akin. O, sa BF
BF Homes, that one? Or the resort? Because we went to both. Is it Noatai or is it Mandara?
Alam niyo guys, inaantok ako. May pa ako inaantok. Pinipigilan ko lang. Ay. Masarap yung hydrate na yun.
Oh, it is Noatai.
No, what line?
That's good. We'll go back again.
Oo, babalik naman kami
When we're back
mamaya.
in the Philippines.
Grabe yung support nyo dito. 1.2 yun. Million views yung latest TikTok mo daw.
I thought no one would watch our live.
4,000 likes na ikaw man.
Oh, because of you. I get like 10 people watching if it was just me.
Hindi, naantok ako kasi nga, di ba yung oras naman natin. Pero
Body clock
pinipigilan
is
ko.
still Filipino time.
Tapang.
Okay. Think we're
Ayun
almost
lang.
done.
Oo, naiihi na rin ako.
Okay.
Ayun guys. At saka maaga pa kasi kami bukas. May pupuntahan kami.
Oh.
Pero maganda yun guys. So, pabalitaan na lang namin kayo. Tsaka gagawa kami ng madaming TikTok namin. Kasi sabi nila, it's been long daw since our last TikTok.
Oh, like us together? Oh,
Our TikTok man.
that was a
Ganyan.
long time ago.
Kaya nga. Oh, thank you, PJ. Salamat. Nakakatawa. Ay, support naman to. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you guys sa mga susunod. Ayun, please follow us here.
Yeah,
Thank
follow.
you. Balitaan namin kayo sa
Angel's the
trip
best.
namin. Oh.
Top fan.
Iba talaga ang money. Bye-bye, Joel. Ayan, sige.
Okay,
Patay ka na.
bye-bye.